In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out of YouTube account on all devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then tap right here where it says you to head over to your profile page or channel page, and that's where at the very top you will find this Google account button. So now I'm gonna tap on it, and once we've done that, we'll be taken to that page where we need to drag this bar a bit to the left until we find this security option. And here at security we need to scroll down all the way until we find your devices here. Now we need to get into manage all devices, and what that will do, that will show us all the devices which has an access to our YouTube account. Then we can go down that list, and if you find here some device you don't recognize, then you can just enter it just like that. And here you will find the option which is called sign out, so we can tap right here. Now it says that this will remove access to your Google account from the device. To continue, hit as sign out there. And then if you want to sign out from all the other devices in this list, unfortunately here we do not have the option that allows us to sign out from multiple devices at once. So we have to do the same steps for each particular device and for each particular session on the selected device. So just keep doing the same steps for each session, and that's how it can be easily done. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.